Here we got a Chevelle. Extremely large big block. Probably worked. As you can see, it is a track car. Plastic windows all around. I'd give you a picture of the inside, but obviously the windows are too black. That is a max wedge. Beautiful view. Wow. That is one awesome race car. Lipstick red. .312 Thunderbird. Very, very well restored. Removable top. Automatic. Two-seater. Extends out to accommodate that square tire. Just beautiful. (1964) Stingray. I have no clue what color this is, but it's absolutely beautiful. It is a 4-speed, fully optioned Stingray. It is a convertible, which most of them were. Looks to me like it's a 365. As you can see, 365. I never heard of that particular engine displacement. (1967) GTO. Has a his and her dual gauge shifter, if you can see that. This one also has ram air with the tack on the hood. Beautiful vehicle. Well, this just pulled up. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous Cutlass Supreme. This is just someone driving in here, not in the show. It's color-coded wheels. As you can see, auto on the column. I'm assuming it's a 350. White interior, convertible top. What year is this? 70? 71. 71. Absolutely gorgeous. Very rarely do I get to see a Sunliner. Here it is. This is a Sunliner. No information on it. As you can see, the hood. It's got Preggers on it. Old school. With the Ford insert, which is awesome. It is a 390 big block. It is a 4-speed. Nothing short of beautiful. And as you can see, we got a couple different ones here. Black and white. This one here is also a 4-speed, which most of the high performance ones were. Also Preggers. Sunliner. Smoking tires. This one's more original. Absolutely beautiful. Switching over to a Impala. Custom wheels. Automatic on the column. to switch over to a Starliner. This I've never seen before. It is a Starliner. It's absolutely beautiful. Well, since the car show's over, I figure I'll post mine. This is a 1988 Cougar. As you can see, it has the luggage rack on it. It is a gold edition with the spoke wheels, white walls. As you can see here, it's a special edition gold package. Okay. Absolutely beautiful Mercury 1988 Cougar. This is classified as a Cougar Special Edition. And this is what they call an LS model, SE. So they call this a luxury sport special edition. And it originally has under 50,000 miles at a later post. I'll put the mileage on it due to a upcoming contest of guessing the mileage of this vehicle. Here's one for you. It states it's a ZL1 70 Chevelle SS. Tagged as a 454. It does have a motion valve covers on it. This is the interior. Oh, this is awesome. 4-speed, of course. And the gentleman was very nice to hold up while I took the photos. It says Motion Performance Phase 3. Not sure if that's correct or true. But as you can see, ZL1 SS.